What's up, y'all? We're about to do an unboxing on the Skar Audio RPX 65. It's a 6.5 inch speaker. We kind of already opened this one, but we will open this one. We got a 2-pack, but get a sticker. Pretty sick. But I packaged really well. But how this speaker looks is like this. Very pretty. We're gonna test how they sound. It's Skar Audio, so they're gonna sound great. So what we got in here right now is it's a Kenwood 6x9, I believe. It doesn't even fit in the door.
Brother, what's that?
It had pretty good sound, but we're just trying to upgrade. This is what we had in it. So, as you can see, way too dang big for the truck. So we're gonna kind of recommend this one. Sure that that's a lot better than what we have. So basically, when I bought the truck, these were what was in it. These are the Skar TX 65s. I mean, they're really good speakers, but they had this bracket for it, so we're just gonna reuse this bracket. We got the tunes rolling. We do not indeed have a connection. So, I don't know why. It's weird. It'll work. Kind of test it a little bit to see how she does. Oh, I did a little test. Being it's a small speaker, smaller, it did really insane. And I'm kind of surprised. But what can you expect? It's Skar Audio. If that makes sense. I don't think I want to do the. I kind of wanted to, but it'll be fine without it. Just like that. Fits in my door. gonna try to fasten them with this. It's actually a gutter screw. Rednecking it a lot, but it should. I put it in the wrong one. Y'all need some dang good audio stuff. Hit up skar. I'm not paid to say that or anything. I'm saying from my experience, skar has some great audio systems. And we get a little turning on action.
Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear, chaos, and intimidation.
We's about to get back on the speakers, but I just thought maybe we'd do a little cold start. Okay, this is the second day on the speakers. Probably won't get done today, but we're gonna work on it. Try to get it done. Check this. We're good. a good thing.
His name is John C.
Bruh. Anywho. So, this bracket, like I said yesterday, we're going to take off because these speakers were blown. We're just going to trade over to this one. Should have enough screws. Keyword should.
You sure about that?
I forgot to start the camera sooner, like an idiot.
This guy stinks!
But got the door panel off. These things are being a pain in the butt to disconnect, so we're just gonna leave them on. Out with the old. We're good. Sounds great. We have the stuff. Don't ask about my light. I'm planning on wiring new ones up. So what you do, take these panels off. This one. Hold on. So pretty much there's a 7mm bolt right up from here that you gotta take out. And I think this might be a T25 or a T20, but I ain't even sure. Okay, it is a T25, I believe. Yeah, it's a T20. There's a bolt right there. But then there's a thing you pop out here. Pop out that. I didn't even tell you how to do the back because my backs aren't anything correctly. Got it. Take off this piece. Let's see what else. My eyeballs did you. You take out obviously this thing. I think there's like 4 things to take out in order to take off the panel. There might be one more thing. Dang. Yeah, what an idiot. I forgot to do that. Dude, if I almost dropped my phone one more time, I swear. Really good sound right there. Figured it out. Figured it did. We are flying through these. I would like to get new door panels for this thing. I need to get new lights. Because those things are literally
piece of dog shit.
Horrible. The back one, whoever had it before me took out the back lights. Like the door lights. I need to get new one, or wire some in the back, but I need to get new ones of these. I like to get a whole new door panel because of that. I mean, it's okay, but I don't really like it. Next is this side, obviously, driver's side. Then we'll have them all in, which is very nice. Almost sliced off my finger.
speaker in?
All four.
Do you? How soon are you ready to have it
In where?
to the house?
Hair appointments. Everything is installed. All speakers. Help, because honestly on the launch. Oh wow, all the wiring was there from Skar Audio. And the doors, which is awesome. So I didn't have to do anything like that. My truck does have an amp already in it, but I do want to put subs in it. But we're probably gonna add, I don't know if I want to do 12s or 10s, and they'll probably be under the seat and build a box for it, or buy one. That went really fast, really easy. You know what you're doing, super easy to install. But yeah, we're gonna do after I clean everything up, we'll do a sound on the speakers from in the truck.
Probably always had to crash and burn. It's like I love living in the flames. Swear I will, but I don't think I'll ever change. You're the same.